Hey guys, in this video we're having a look at the Batman from, I believe it's from the animated series, and he is from 1996. Very old figure, but very cool looking, and it has a unique design. So yeah, he's like a zebra. He looks very cool. So yeah, let's have a closer look. I bought him from eBay, of course, second hand, but I believe he has all of his accessories in check. So yeah. His face looks very cool, like from the animated series. We of course have the awesome logo here. I love his zebra look. He looks very 90s. His belt, of course. His gun, that it's very strange looking, but okay. He has his boots, of course. And I believe, I don't know if you can see it, but the date is right up here. Okay, I'm mistaken. It's from 93. It's not from 96. So yeah, apologies for the mistake. Yeah, 93. Okay, so yeah, for the accessories, he has his gun right here. It's just gray plastic, nothing special, but it looks cool. It looks cool. Batman with a gun, so yeah. And the great thing about this one is that his cape looks very awesome looking, and you can basically attach the cape like this, and it can go like this, and that's his iconic look. And he looks freaking badass. Love it so much. And he can stunt very well on his own with the cape and without the cape, of course. You can do like this and do this badass position. Yeah, okay, he's standing now. So yeah, for articulation now, and of course be very careful when you detach this stuff because it's an old figure. He can do, I believe, 360 on the head, but he has a swivel, but I won't force it because I don't want to break it. He can do 360 on the arms up here. Nothing on the waist. He can do 90-degree. I don't want to force it anymore. So yeah, and the other leg here. And that's about it for the movement. And for the age of the figure, that's perfectly fine with me. I'm not going to pose him in very actiony poses. He's going to be probably like this. So yeah, but he looks very nice with this pose. Really great looking figure in my opinion. So yeah guys, this is my quick review of the Batman from 93. Please guys, if you like this video, thumb it up, subscribe for more upcoming reviews like this one, and yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.